In today's video, I will show you step by step how to add keyframes in CapCut PC. The first thing you need to do is import your video or image onto which you want to add keyframes. I will use an image because the final result will be more visible. You can add keyframes by clicking on these points here, but first, you need to know what effect you want to create to include the appropriate keyframes. For example, if you want to create a zoom-in effect, you can do so with the Scale keyframes. First, go to the beginning of the video by dragging this line here to the left, and then activate the Scale keyframe by clicking on this icon here. After that, go to the end of the video and add a new keyframe by clicking on the same icon. Then increase this number here. I will increase it to 130%. Here is what the final result looks like. As you can see, the video slowly zooms from 100% to 130% because we have adjusted the keyframes accordingly. Now I will show you how to use position keyframes. First, you need to increase the scale. I will increase it to 120%. Then, go to the beginning of the video and add a position keyframe. After that, adjust the position of this first keyframe. For this example, we can set it all the way to the left by clicking on the video and dragging it to the far left. Then, go to the end of the video and add a second keyframe by clicking on this point here, and move the video all the way to the right. Here is how the video looks now with 2 position keyframes. The possibilities with keyframes are unlimited. Wherever you see this point, you can add a keyframe and create animation. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.